Cabinet Secretary, I would have thought you would agree with me that local authorities need to make it as easy as possible for people to recycle. And my concern is that there are some local authorities that are actually not doing that and actually putting obstacles in people's paths. So there are some local authorities that are introducing charges for residential DIY waste after an initial free bag, and other local authorities are proposing time slots where people have to book in advance to get to a recycling centre. So my own local authority proposed this last year, and as soon as I heard about it, I contacted them with my concerns, and my concerns about fly tipping if you're putting obstacles in people's path. And there are some local authorities in other parts of the UK, including Shropshire just over the border, that are actually backtracking on this because of the backlash that this has created. So there's huge concerns here, and surely we should be making things as easy as possible. And one of the areas that the Council raised when questioned about the charges was that the alternative would have been to either reduce the opening days or hours at the sites, or potentially even close one of them. So do you agree with me that charging for residential DIY waste, introducing appointment systems where people have to book time slots to use their recycling centre, either on telephone or online, and threats from councils to reduce opening days and hours of recycling centres are actually backward steps?
Russell, we've been through in my own local patch over many years, particularly over the last decade and more, instances where our local authority, I don't want to comment on a local authority where I don't know the minutiae of the details of why they made decisions, but I know that in my local area they made the decisions because it was they made decisions on restricting hours, for example, because the choice was between that or school transport, or the choice was between that and social services. And they went out of consultation with the local public and said, what's your priority? And came at it from that angle. But I think going forward, you are right. The principle should be, we need to make this as easy as possible, right across Wales. Local authorities need to learn from each other, challenges and the way to do this. And rural authorities, it'll be quite different from more urban, densely populated areas as well. But I think it's some of that sharing of experience and also keeping your eyes fixed on the prize, because we are working with, but working on local authorities to drive up their recycling rates, and we're on a good journey there. Local authorities are achieving, they're helping us to deliver this. But in that process, they also need to think about local residents, what works for them, to be honest, what avoids litter, as well as help recycling waste, what makes it easy for them. So your point is right, but I think we can't ignore the fact that many local authorities have been faced in recent years with very difficult decisions, and we've seen probably restricted hours or closures of some recycling centres and so on, or consolidation, that horrible word. Ideally, what we'd want to see is making it as easy as possible. But it's got to be for local authorities to make their own decisions. But I know you'll make representations to your own.